Hello, welcome to Caribou English. My name's Louis. I'm an English teacher for the past 8 years, and today we're going to be learning about 5 business English phrases and 5 verbs, which you can also use in a business setting. Let's start with the 5 useful business English phrases. The first one is get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means to begin or start something. So you can say, hey, Steve, let's get the ball rolling by making a spreadsheet. The second phrase is from the ground up. From the ground up means to start something from the bottom or to start from the first step. So you can say, I admire Mr. Lopez because he built his business from the ground up. Our third phrase is back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board means starting with a new idea after all your other ideas have failed. So you can say, fellas, I'm afraid we'll have to go back to the drawing board. In case you're wondering, fellas, it means guys, usually refers to men, could be women too, fellas. It's a friendly way to refer to people. The fourth business phrase is to cut corners. To cut corners means to do things most quickly and cheaply to save time and money. So you can say, the company's decision to cut corners led to dangerous outcomes. This is something you don't want to do. You don't want to cut corners. And the fifth business English phrase is by the book. By the book means doing something strictly according to the rules. Following the rules. By the book. Okay? You can say, honestly, I'm not someone who tends to play by the book. So in this case, if you don't play by the book, you could say that you play outside the box or you work outside the box. That's more of a creative thinking. To play by the book means you follow the rules, but to go outside the box means you're more creative and you do your own thing. Next, we're going to look at 5 useful business verbs. Verbs are action words, and they describe things that you do. The first one is pinpoint. To pinpoint. It means to identify something exactly. You could say, I've pinpointed the weaknesses in your English speaking. To make it a little bit easier to change pinpoint, you could say, I see the weaknesses in your English speaking. But in this case, it's more accurate to say pinpoint. I've pinpointed the weaknesses. The next verb is differentiate. Differentiate. So this means to make it clear that something is different. Different, differentiate. The two words are kind of related. You can say, I cannot easily differentiate between English accents. There's so many different English accents, I cannot differentiate between them. The third verb is expedite. To expedite. So to expedite means to do a process faster. To do something faster. I'm interested in expediting my English education. That means you want to learn faster, more quickly. Expedite. The fourth verb is to disclose. Disclose. It's when you tell something which was previously a secret. To make something known which was once a secret. To disclose. For example, the government decided to disclose the documents. Disclose the documents. And the fifth phrase is optimize. The fifth verb is optimize. Optimize is to make it the best it can be. So you want to optimize your English speaking. That's why you watch the video. So here's an example. It's not on the screen, but I'll just say it. You want to optimize your business English. So that's why you're watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed the video. We learned 5 business phrases and we learned 5 verbs, which you can use in the office and in the workplace. Check out more of my content to learn more. You can see this material under my YouTube shorts. These are short videos which you can watch. Thanks for tuning in and good luck with your English studying.